Welcome to our channel where we dive into the essential steps to verify your JustAnswer expert account quickly and efficiently. Welcome to our channel and thank you for joining us today as we walk you through how to verify your JustAnswer expert account with a clear and concise step-by-step guide. Becoming a verified expert on JustAnswer opens doors to sharing your knowledge with people all over the world and earning for your expertise. The verification process is designed to ensure that all experts meet the platform's high standards, so let's get started. The first step is to visit the official JustAnswer site and sign up or log into your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard where you'll find the option to start the verification process. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal identification documents. This typically includes a government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national identity card. Upload these documents carefully, making sure they are clear and contain all necessary information. After submitting your identification, the next step is verifying your professional credentials. JustAnswer requires proof of your expertise to maintain the quality of answers on the platform. Depending on your field, this can include diplomas, certifications, licenses, or professional memberships. Upload scans or photos of these documents in the designated section. The platform may also ask you to complete a short assessment or answer questions related to your area of expertise to further validate your knowledge. Once you've submitted all required documents and completed any necessary assessments, your application enters the review phase. This step can take several days as the JustAnswer team carefully evaluates your submissions. During this time, check your email regularly for any requests for additional information or updates on your application status. If your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation email and can start answering questions as a verified expert immediately. Being verified not only increases your credibility, but also unlocks additional earning opportunities on the platform. If for some reason your application is not approved, review the feedback carefully and consider reapplying with improved documentation or credentials. Remember, accuracy and clarity in your submissions will help speed up the verification process. Verification on JustAnswer might seem daunting at first, but by following these structured steps, you can successfully complete it and begin your journey as a trusted expert. Make sure to keep all your documents ready before starting, stay patient during the review, and communicate promptly with the support team if needed. Thank you for watching and investing your time to learn how to verify your account. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful content on professional growth and online expertise opportunities.